Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just to annoy those around us. Sneezing is our body's quirky way of hitting the reset button on our noses. When dust or germs invade, our brain sends a signal to expel them with a powerful burst of air. This sneeze travels at 100 miles per hour, faster than a cheetah. Imagine that. It's like our nose's personal bouncer, kicking out unwanted guests. Next time you sneeze, remember, it's your body's way of keeping things clean and clear. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fun facts.